My name is Johan Olsen. I play in a band called Magtens Korridorer, which means the corridors of power. It's a Danish pop rock band, I sing. This festival, Sølund Festival, is unique. It's unique in the sense that it gives people who are handicapped, less privileged, a chance to go out and listen to live music, because that's really difficult on ordinary festivals. It's difficult if you are in a wheelchair, it's difficult if you have mental issues. I think it's a disgrace that politicians think that this cannot be afforded.
I got mentally disabled because of my mother drank too much when I was in her womb. My name is Sonny Christensen and I'm the bass player in Jakob Jensen Band, one of the most famous bands in Denmark. Music is very important to me. If I didn't have the music, I probably wouldn't be here today. I mean, what would I do without music? Music is everything for me. I think it's very important for all these people here that we all can be together and have fun together, and they have a place to be free.
My name is Lasse Mortensen, and I'm festival leader of Sølund Musikfestival Denmark. It's perhaps the biggest festival for handicapped people in the world, and it's on the thread now. The people who comes here need to have carers they know. We have about 100 councils in Denmark, and about 50% of them won't pay for the secure carers.
Hello, I'm Gitte Petersen. I'm the carer of Cecilia. She likes the music very much. She likes the rhythm. She likes to rock. They enjoy it so much. It's a catastrophe if it closes it down.
No matter what your where you stand politically, I think it's unfair and it's beyond human dignity to take this pleasure away.